In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a OneDrive folder for group work. Whether you're collaborating on a project with classmates or working on a team assignment at the office, sharing a folder can greatly enhance your productivity and streamline communication. Let's dive into the steps to easily and efficiently share a OneDrive folder. Start by logging into your Microsoft account. To do this, navigate to the Microsoft account login page using your preferred web browser. Enter your credentials and gain access to all the Microsoft services available to you. With a variety of options at your disposal, it's important not to get overwhelmed. Stay with me, and we'll navigate through this process together. First, you'll need to locate the app's launcher. Typically, you'll find it in the upper left corner of the page, resembling a small grid of 9 dots. This icon is your gateway to getting to all the Microsoft apps, including OneDrive. Click on the app's launcher. Many refer to it as the central hub for productivity because it gives you quick access to what you need. Once you've clicked the launcher, find and select the OneDrive option. This action will lead you to your OneDrive homepage, where you'll see all your files and folders organized neatly. Think of OneDrive as your digital filing cabinet, perfectly organized to keep your materials accessible and easy to find. On the OneDrive page, click on My Files. This is where you can view your existing files and folders. It's designed with an intuitive user interface that makes finding your materials a breeze. Now, browse through your files and click on the folder you intend to share with others. Selecting the correct folder is crucial for sharing the right information. After selecting the folder, locate the share icon. It usually looks like a small figure or a paper with an arrow. This icon is your gateway to starting collaborations. A window will appear, prompting you to enter the email addresses of the people or groups you want to share the folder with. You can enter one or multiple email addresses, depending on your needs. Double-check these email addresses for accuracy to ensure a seamless sharing experience. Next, adjust the permission settings. You'll have the option to allow recipients to edit. This feature is particularly useful for group work, where everyone can contribute by making changes to the files within the folder. Consider adding a personalized message to your invitation. Explain what the folder contains or provide specific instructions regarding the files. It adds a personal touch and keeps everyone informed. Once you're ready, click Send to send the invitation. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to share the folder via a link, click Copy Link. This generates a link that you can share through email, a document, or even a Teams message, offering flexibility in how you disseminate the information. And there you have it, you've successfully shared a OneDrive folder, paving the way for easy collaboration within your group.